Peter Parker and Mary Jane. They are both in high school, along with their friends Harry Osborn, Flash Thompson, Liz Allen, and also Gwen Stacy. But for some time now, MJ has harbored secret feelings for her study partner, Peter. Unfortunately, MJ couldn't share her feelings to Peter as she saw Peter was dating Gwen Stacy. So unable to face the heartache, MJ moved on and is now dating her former lover, Harry Osborn, with a mutual understanding that this time they shouldn't get too serious. But just as MJ and Harry got engaged, Gwen discovered Peter's feelings for MJ and he is actually in love with her. Also, when trouble comes, Peter always left her and Gwen believed he doesn't care about her. So Gwen break up with Peter and has kept her distance from him ever since. But then another redhead girl comes into Peter, especially Spider-Man's life, the young hero Firestar, and it looks like Firestar has started to grow some feelings for the wall crawler. As one day, she comes to New York looking for a criminal and there she meets Spidey. So they start to spend a lot of time together looking for that criminal. While rescuing a cat, Peter falls into a pond. So Firestar hugs him and shares her temperature to warm him up. And Spidey mentions that this is different from any other dates he has been on. So Firestar realizes it is actually a date and Spidey gets all squirmy and she thinks it is cool and gives Spidey a kiss through his mask. And sometime later, he meets Firestar who was fighting Beetle. So they begin to flirt back and forth and Spidey says he has something for her and tells her to close her eyes. And then Peter lifts his mask up off his mouth and kisses Firestar. Later that night, Firestar takes a blindfolded Spidey and arrives in the backyard of a house and she reveals this is where she lives. But before Spidey can tell anything, she starts to remove her mask as she wants to be close with him, share her life and her true identity. But before she could do that, Spidey quickly stops her, asking why didn't she talk about it first. And seeing Peter's behavior, Firestar gets hurt as she thinks Spidey doesn't care who she really is. So Peter tries to console her by saying that no one knows his secret identity and he is not ready to reveal it to her as he is not comfortable. Peter breaks her heart, but Firestar shrugs it off and runs inside her house, telling Spidey that she has something to do really quick and then they can go. So from that day, Peter keeps avoiding Firestar. So one day, Peter runs into her and she tells Spidey that she is sorry that she has been pushing things too fast between them. It's just that she really doesn't want to lose whatever they have together. It's not important for them to share their private lives. She just thought it would be cool. But then she realizes something is bothering Spidey. So Peter reveals there is someone else in his life. But this time, Firestar takes it really well. She also asking Spidey about the girl and he reveals she is a redhead. And Firestar also cracks a joke that trading in one redhead for another. And it actually proves that Spider-Man loves redheads. But then Iceman pops up out of nowhere and irritates Firestar for hanging out with another boyfriend. And she begins to chase after Iceman. Another girl is Minus from Spider-Man's life, the real playboy. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.